Okay. Many words begin with consonants. Let's listen out for the beginning sounds of different words. This is the letter L. The letter L says ooh, ooh. Do these words begin with ooh? Does the word lion start with the letter L? Lion. Yes, it does. Ooh, ooh, lion. Does the word lemon start with the letter L? Lemon. Yes, it does. Ooh, ooh, lemon. Does the word game start with the letter L? Game. No, it doesn't. Game. Does the word lamb start with the letter L? Lamb. Yes, it does. Ooh, ooh, lamb. Does the word log start with the letter L? Log. Yes, it does. Ooh, ooh, log. This is the letter V. The letter V says v, v. Do these words begin with v? Does the word vest start with the letter V? Vest. Yes, it does. Vest. Does the word van start with the letter V? Van. Yes, it does. Van. Does the word melon start with the letter V? Melon. No, it doesn't. Melon. Does the word vase start with the letter V? Vase. Yes, it does. Vase. Does the word violin start with the letter V? Violin. Yes, it does. Violin.
Learning